Well, hello and welcome to another one of my videos. In this one I'm going to be using some wood shavings to do some repairs in some holes in a guitar that need patching. Figured out this technique and I think it's pretty decent, so let's do that. Now here I have a whole bunch of small cracks. And on the inside I've used both little thin sticks of about 1 millimeter, that's what, 1/8 of an inch, and also wood shavings. And here are the two sticks, one there, and in the middle is the wood shaving. There's a lengthwise crack with material missing from the crack, and so I've put some wood shavings on the inside of the crack to reinforce it and to allow filling on the outside. There are several of those cracks on this guitar. With this crack we can do the filling while we've got the back off. Then we can put the back on. So now we have this crack reinforced from the inside so that we can put the filling in from the outside. And here is a wider one. In that crack we apply some glue. And then glue the wood shaving into position. We are going to do several layers of the wood shavings depending on how thick the wood on the side is. Sometimes you can use scissors to pre-cut the wood shaving so it fits in the hole properly, or you can glue it in there and then use a sharp knife to trim off the excess. With the other bigger crack I'm just going to repeat the same process. Now, after having applied several layers of shavings, I recommend the top layers you don't trim them off so that they go over and beyond, so that when it's dry you can sand the whole thing back to level. If you're going to paint it, the colour is not important as long as you get it nice and level, but if you're going to varnish it, try and get the timber colours to match. And after a bit of varnish, this is how this one turned out, and that forward one nicely, and the other side is looking almost just like the grain of the wood. Noticeable but not terrible. Another application is an edge repair. I've already glued in an extra piece of lining as a reinforcement before starting on the wood shaving. Apply some glue. Then apply as many layers as you need. Having completed one side of the corner, we're going to do the other side and butt into the other corner. And after a bit of a paint up, you can't notice where that patch is.